What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with another Kamen Rider Legend Rider Ray's Buckle. This is the DX Arcle buckle, which is Kuga's belt buckle, and it was exclusive to the Mook, which I didn't buy, so I just have the buckle. Which you do get Geats in the using the Kuga buckle, which looks pretty cool. And yeah, you can use it in the Desire Driver, and it's a sensibly sized box! Take notes, Televikun exclusives! Please! Why are they so long? But yeah, he uses his DX. He's giving you a thumbs up on top. White, words, contents, and that's it. So, let's get this in here, and we'll take a look at it in the driver. Alright, here it is. It looks really good. Like, none of these I can say necessarily look bad. And honestly, it does capture the Arcle. You got all the buttons for Kuga's forms, which I think this needs to be flipped. Yeah. Because I think it's... I can't remember. I want to say these buttons are supposed to be on one side. I can't remember which one's upward facing right now. If I'm wrong, tell me in the comments. I don't know. But you do got all the runes. They even have them somewhat sketched out up close on the top. You can even see the Kuga logo on the little paper on the driver. You get the little red thing. And yeah, it is rail 48. And if we use it in the Desire Driver, that's its name. You get that nostalgic Kuga transformation sound. Not quite a transformation jingle, but God. Oh, that makes me feel good. I love that. I love that jingle for whatever reason. Like, I love how it was just, like, each sound was in a different pitch. Like, I love Kuga's transformation sounds for the life of me. I don't know. You press it down. Obviously, you can revolve. And if we want to bring in another rider buckle, go. Let's use it with another rider buckle. Man, the start of different eras. So different when it comes to the belt's transformation sounds. Like, they sound so different, but they're also from so many years apart. Like, Kuga was like, what, 99, 2000, somewhere around there? So, like, by the time this was coming out, it was like 18, 19 years old. So it's kind of like, whoa. Now let's use it with the most used buckle with everything. Boost! And that's pretty much it that, like, I feel like showing for the Kuga buckle. Like, I could go into more buckles to use, but, you know, it's just going to be doing the same thing. But overall, I really do like this buckle, but I'm also a really big Kuga fan. Kuga is one of my favorite riders of all time. So, yeah, if you're going in on the rider buckles, go ahead. But if you're not, you can pass. You know, this isn't something necessary unless you're going to get all the rider buckles. And or the most that you can get your hands on. You know, if you're just a Kuga fan and you have a Desire driver, why not? Get Kuga sounds. It says Kuga. That's all I need. So good. So yeah. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of the Kuga buckle? What do you guys think of Kuga in general? Yeah, just tell me down in the comments. So let's start some talking about Kuga, because give me an excuse to talk about Kuga. I really need some excuses to talk about Kuga. Like, I love talking about Kuga so much. It's so good. So, thank you so much for listening to my rambling. And until whatever I do next, bye.